Okay, decomposing decimals. So this is whenever you have to break decimals into tenths, hundreds, and thousands whenever you're looking at them, or wholes even. So if I have 0 and 67 hundredths, so whenever I'm decomposing these decimals, one simple technique is first you should be able to identify the whole. So right here, so we have 0 wholes, and then to find your tenths, I just put my first 0 under the decimal place. So right now I know I have 6 tenths. And then I add another 0. Now this would be my hundredths. My 7's in the hundredths place. So I have 6 tenths and 7 hundredths. Pretty simple way to find it. Now if I were to add these, I would just simply add a 0 behind my 6 tenths and 0 hundredths. That's like timesing by 10 tenths right there. And I could get 67 hundredths. So again, it would be 6 tenths plus 7 hundredths. Another simple strategy would be, another strategy that you could do is just label the place. Like this is the ones place. So I have 0 ones. This is the tenths place. This is the hundredths place. So how many tenths do I have? I again have 6 tenths. I have 7 hundredths. So 6 tenths plus 7 hundredths equals 67 hundredths. Just one more problem like that. So if I tried another problem, let's say I have 1 and 82 hundredths. So on here, I know I have 1 whole. So 1 plus, here's my 1 whole, and here's my tenths place, 8 tenths, because I can tell that that's my tenths place. And then continue it over, plus 2 hundredths, because that's where my hundredths place is. Or I could use my other strategy, and I could say ones, tenths, hundredths. So I have 1 whole plus 8 tenths plus 2 hundredths. So that is how you add your, or that's how you decompose your fractions. And altogether, this would equal 182 hundredths, or 1 and 82 hundredths.